Hi there, it's Maria here, makeup artist and green beauty expert, and today I want to tell you about these Oia Skin Anti-Wrinkle Patches that I recently tried and loved. So last night I used the patch across the forehead and I used the patch on the corners of the eyes, and I have to tell you I was blown away this morning at how much smoother my forehead was. I suffer from this very expressive forehead up here, and the patches definitely smooth that area out. So what are these Oia patches? Well, they are made with 100% medical grade silicone, and the pack that I have comes in 7 different sizes, which are versatile enough to use on all these different body areas. So using silicone on the skin helps to plump the skin by drawing moisture to the surface. There is nothing in the patch that makes it do that. And so I'm really impressed. The smaller patches actually can just be removed piece by piece and applied on cleansed skin. So you definitely want to clean your skin in the evening and apply a bit of moisturizer. You need to let it absorb well, and I would probably stay away from any oil-based products. So I just removed my first strip from its backing, and this is the forehead strip, and I'm just gonna go here and kind of, make sure it's getting the 11 lines and just kind of smooth it onto my forehead. Now I've kept mine in the fridge so they feel nice and cool, and there's definitely times when we want our face to feel soothed and cool. So the forehead one is on, and then what I like to do with the smaller ones is to actually put them on the corners here of the eyes where I'm starting to see some crow's feet developing. I'm gonna be 44 this fall, so I'm gonna stick them here and press it down, but you can move these around. I mean, if you are getting more little lines underneath, you can definitely put them underneath, but that's the area I really need to focus on. And then the other one goes on the other side, and you're going to leave them on. You could sleep with them, of course, or you can leave them on, for half an hour if you want to feel refreshed, you want to plumpen up the skin. Now, the other little crescent-shaped ones are going to go to the nasolabial folds, also known as smile lines. I'm going to press them on, and one more on the other side. And also, my pack also came with a neck patch. So I'm gonna peel that off from the backing. And then you're just gonna put it on your neck area. So they do feel cool on. I mean, definitely you feel them being on your skin, but in no way do they feel uncomfortable. Now, my favorite piece, because I am a side sleeper, and I'm reaching that age where I'm seeing some changes happen here on the décolletage area, is the biggest piece in the pack, which is the chest piece. So if you are a side sleeper, this one is fantastic, because I'm sure if you sleep on your side, you can see the little lines developing. And then you press it and smooth it on. Again, it's very cooling, feels lovely on. So these are a great alternative if you are, curious about Botox, but you're too worried to get it. If you are scared of needles, if invasive treatments are not for you, these are such a cost-effective way to just plumpen the skin, draw moisture to the surface of the skin, and just smooth out those expression lines that we get by just repetitive movements throughout the day. Let's take these off and let's see the difference here. So if you want, when you remove them, you want to definitely hold the skin and gently peel it down. You want to return each piece to its backing, because these can be reused up to 15 times. So you want to take care of them. And the skin here already feels so soft and so smooth. This is my favorite one to remove because the difference is just insane. And then finally, wow. So amazing, so soft and so smooth, especially the forehead. That is my favorite part. Okay, and then the chest piece, same thing. Hold the skin and gently peel. Okay, and rinse your patches and just return them to their backing. Let them dry and then return them to their backing until your next use. And the last piece is the neck. You know, a lot of women neglect their necks, so wow. Oh, I forgot to hold on. Wow, my neck is so soft and so smooth. I absolutely love these. I am amazed. What a amazing first impression for me. Wow. Thank you, Oia Skin.